I mean, you want to talk to Amy?
Let me hear that. Let me hear that. I've never heard you. Let me hear you. I order you to speak to. I want to. I want to, but let me hear you say. I order you to speak
Miss
to.
Dallas, you don't want me ordering you. I order people all week. Wilson White versus Kiera Dallas. Miss Dallas?
Figure it out.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
All
Okay. All right.
right.
Where are we on this case?
Your Honor, I believe
Worse.
Ms. Dallas was going to submit an SCR or that might have already happened. So it looks like she made a payment of $800 on, nope, that might be from July. Yeah. So I have a balance of $1,886.
1,886.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Miss Dallas, how are you going to get that paid?
Okay, so the SCR came back. It was declined again, so they didn't
Okay.
approve it. So I wanted to see if we could do this, because it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to pay it. If I move out, they keep the security deposit. Can we just like squash the whole
Okay, I see what you're
thing?
saying.
Yeah, just keep it
Um,
and no eviction on my thing. Like if I just leave, because it doesn't look like it's working out for me right now, and I don't want to keep, you know. I tried to
okay.
call the leasing office, but I couldn't get through, and no
Have
emails
you
has been responded to.
have you gone to did you go through Hawk? Did you call them at all?
I called them. They were like, she flat out told me, she was like, if you need help this time, then our concern is that you're going to need help again, and something like that. It was something. Basically, she said no. The lady I talked to, it was
Uh,
basically no.
she was okay. So what she was really saying is, if we give you the money, are you going to be able to pay the rent in the future?
I told her, like I said, I told her yeah and stuff like that, but it just like nothing happened after. It was basically like a no. So I don't want to. I don't want the balance to keep going up and everything, and you know, like it's been doing.
But
I just think it'll be better if I move and just chop
do
it up
you
as a
have a
loss.
place? All right, Miss Dallas, do you have a place to go?
Yeah. I mean, like I'll figure it out. I'd rather just not, I don't want the balance to keep going up. I got it. I can figure it out.
Okay, that really sounds confident.
It is.
Um,
I'm very
Always
confident.
sounds
Like I said,
confident.
yes, it's gonna be. I'm very confident that I'll figure it out. I would just rather not like the balance to keep going up and stuff like that. Like I can just move out and they could keep the security deposit
okay,
and all of
Miss
that.
Dallas.
And
Okay, but Miss Dallas, let me ask you this.
hmm,
Let's say there were a way that you could find to pay the $886 that would make you good through the end of August. Come September, are you going to be able to pay the rent?
I don't know. That's why I don't. I don't want
Okay.
to
All
keep.
right.
I don't want to keep doing that.
No, I got you. That's what I just, you didn't really say that out loud to me. And I just want to make sure that that's what we're dealing with.
Cause that's
Okay.
embarrassing. But I don't know. Everything is like I don't know right now.
Okay. So how much time are you going to need to get yourself moved?
Probably just like till Tuesday. It's a studio apartment, so it's not like I'm moving.
Okay. Yes.
Before we go here, I do want to say this is a landlord, the plaintiff in this matter is requesting a money judgment as well.
Right.
And that does complicate.
Right.
It's not for possession only.
You got that, Miss
I didn't
Dallas?
hear. She was a little muffled. What did she say?
They're requesting a money judgment too.
Well, I don't
So
have
that means that that's the part. It's not like if you don't pay and just move, it's good. They also want a money judgment, so that's the thing that will follow you around.
Okay. Well, I don't have the money right now. I tried to do the resource things and stuff like that, and it's just not working on my end. I hear it working for everybody else. I don't know what they're saying that I'm not saying or anything like that.
Okay.
But
At least,
like I
Your
said,
Honor,
Okay, what'd you say? Go ahead.
if I'm wondering if I would need to speak with my client, but there might be some sort of, payment plan that they could enter into with Ms. Dallas as far as the balance.
Okay, so Ms. Dallas,
I hear you on the payment plan, but like I said, like I just had a baby. I'm not working right now. I'm a foster kid, so I don't have any family or babysitters that she can go to while I go work. It's literally just me. Um, Her father was helping, but he's not anymore. So I can't say like, oh, I'll do a payment plan because it's like I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything, but it just might not work.
I got you.
No,
Like it's just me, So
all right. So, but I realize that, Ms. Dallas, and I'm just trying to figure out. You say you could be out in a little bit. I realize there may not be much to move, but where are you? Do you have a place to go? Or what are you?
I say I'll figure it out. Not really, but I'm welcomed at a friend's house. But I don't know how long I'll be able to stay with her. But like I said, I'll figure it out. I put myself on a waiting list for, a Forest No list.
Yeah, I do.
They said that I should hear something.
It's still in my jurisdiction.
Okay. Anyway,
I'm just saying.
I put myself on their waiting list. I pleaded and stuff with them. They seem like they're gonna get me into something really soon.
All right, Miss Dallas. Let's do this.
Here's Amy.
Okay.
Amy. Miss Dallas is trying to make her own decisions about stuff, and having dealt with Miss Dallas, that doesn't always work well.
So my goodness.
Well, I know, but I'm right. I'm right.
You didn't have to say it. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Well, okay, I didn't mean to say it like that.
You said it like that, but go ahead.
I tried to say it nicer, but it just didn't come out that way.
You just threw me in the middle of the street and let me get hit. But go ahead.
Whoa!
Her plans don't work out. But anyway, go ahead.
So, all right. So, what I'm likely to do in this case, would you mind talking to her and seeing? She had a conversation. I don't know if you heard.
I've been listening
when she called Hog. Pardon?
Yeah, I've been listening the whole time, Your Honor. I would like to speak with her if she is open to speaking with me.
Miss Dallas, if you want me to order you to talk to her, I will. But I mean, you want to talk to Amy?
Let me hear that. Let me hear that. I've never heard you. Let me hear you. I order you to speak to. I want to, but let me hear you say, I order you to speak to.
Miss Dallas, you don't want me ordering you. I order people all week.
Okay, I just never.
Miss Dallas, I'm going to order you to speak with Amy. Is that better? I know. What she going to act like? Oh my God, you hurt me.
My feelings.
Okay. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to put you into a breakout room so that you can talk with Amy and see if there are options so you can sustain it. I don't want you out there just kind of wandering around and hopping around from place to place. I'm not going to be wandering around
in your jurisdiction.
Okay. Let me just say this. I'm going to be blunt about it. After last Friday,
yeah,
I am just trying to do some grocery shopping so I can have something to eat.
Oh my goodness.
So it's full disclosure. I'm just walking through the store. I decided to go to the bakery section because I just wanted something sweet.
He had a whole bunch of
Who shows up? Who rolls up on me? Dallas. Rolls up on me in the grocery store. then stares at me and then says, because I guess people don't think judges are like human beings, you actually shot for yourself? Really? Really?
I couldn't believe it. It's like seeing a celebrity in public. You're like, what are you doing out here without bodyguards?
I'm just trying to get food. I gotta eat too.
I'm like, where you?
Okay. And Miss Engine asked, did she have her baby with her? And yes, she did. And that is the cutest little thing.
You guys want to see her? She's sleeping. Hold on, let me show you the baby. Let me show you my. She's sleeping.
See, yes.
Daddy.
Oh,
look at that.
Goodness.
And that's part of the reason I don't want you just trying to. It was okay before when you were by yourself, just trying to do whatever, Miss Dallas. You got somebody else that's got to come with you. So let's try to, if we can, put you in the safest place we can possibly, or try to arrange it so that it's more orderly. Okay?
Okay.
She just never, that's the other thing. So maybe, Amy, you can talk sense it to her because she never wants to agree with me. She's been, it doesn't matter what I said. I could say the sky is gray. She's going to say it's red.
It's actually really blue today.
See, that's what I'm talking about. I know it's gray because it's raining. I'm looking at it.
It's a hint of blue. It's like a bluish gray. Not like
Dallas, please. August 23rd, 2024 at 3 p.m.
And you want me to go? You ordered me to talk to her, right? You want me to stay here?
If you want to, but yes, I'm ordering you. So you stay right there. We're going to put you and Amy into a breakout room so she can give you options. Okay, Miss Dallas, or talk to you about and explore some options for you. All right.
All right. You guys have a great weekend. I'll see you on the 23rd at 3:00 or at Kroger.
What'd you say?
I'll see you at the 23rd at 3:00 or at Kroger in the bakery section, getting all that stuff. You gotta watch your sugar, man.
Thank you, Miss Dallas. Always a pleasure.
See ya.
Amy, good luck. All right. She is something.